And how's it going today, guys? Gallon here from CarPhonix. Just a quick little video here to show you guys what I want to do is my friend Craig from Bonsai Rides, he's actually got this Volvo SUV here, and he isn't really a big fan of the shifter boot, the factory one. This is kind of his like winter vehicle. It's not a huge deal to him. The A-pillars were kind of falling apart at one point, so what we ended up doing is we replaced them with some black, what do you want to call this stuff? What is this stuff called?
Velvet.
Velvet?
No.
No, suede. It's called suede. Yeah, so we replaced it with some black suede here because like the original gray stuff was kind of falling apart. So anyhow, now we're gonna see about getting this shifter boot off. I think we have to actually get this, look at that.
Beauty, eh?
Would you look at that, buddy?
Oh.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna end up taking this weird old black thing off, and we're gonna attempt to replace it with that there. So, but the first step is I think we have to actually get this thing off of here. So let me put the camera down and get that done. All right, it's basically all you gotta do to remove the shifter knob on one of these things is just pull up really hard on one of these things right here, and then the whole thing will come off. Once you've got that thing removed, just gonna unbolt this little control panel here from that. And then this all separates from here. Make sure you don't lose that button like we did, or like I did. Sorry about that, buddy. Sorry about losing your winter mode button. And so it's stuck in the depths of the dash here. So anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and continue removing this black leather boot off of here, and then we're going to try putting that one on instead. All right, so I got my pieces laid out here. Just gonna cut the bag approximately here underneath the Seagram sign. I'll have you guys all know that this is a vintage bag from probably, I don't know, 1950, 1960?
67.
1967 this bag is from. So she's authentic. She's authentic, bud. Seagram's Crown Royal. Look at that. Real neat. It's been embroidered in there. So first thing we're gonna do is take it around there and then tie it. See how well this works out. So we can just put this here like that for now. We'll have to, you know, see how that transpires at a later time. And then we're gonna stick this back into here like that. And then we're gonna kind of do one of these, maybe. Yeah, because you kind of want to see it, right? Because it's going to be there. Maybe we should point it toward the driver. Let's point it toward the driver. Like that. Like that? Sure. That seems to work out. Let's do that. And then we're going to stick this inside of there. Kind of like quit. And then we're going to jam it back in the hole. Like that. I think that's it, guys. Seagram's Crown Royal. Let's see if we can get that symbol to pop up like that, just like that. Right? Yeah, not too shabby at all. Not too shabby at all. Get the fabric so she's not really dangling down there too much, like that. And then we can stick the shifter knob in there like this. And let's see. I think we need to modify this little thing here, just so there's a little bit more room, maybe. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see. What do you guys think? You guys think that's cool? It's neat. We'll see what Craig thinks after. All right, so we managed to find the manual button. You guys see that there?
Winter
Oh,
mode.
sorry.
It's for
There
the
we go.
beater.
Winter. Sorry, manual, winter. I'm not sure which mode it was, but anyhow, we can fix that up now. And Craig's just putting back the dashboard. Oh, I apologize. Grab all those. Yep. Good stuff. And then we can test fit this bugger and see exactly how she goes. Alrighty, so we got all this back together here. And we got the little button back in there as well. So we're just screwing this sucker back in. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Goes in here. Oh, gotcha guys. Whew, gotcha.
End of the day.
Yeah.
Just going
Everything's going flying today. Everything is going flying. Oh God, go in the hole. There we go. All right. Nice and tight. Yeah, so when you guys are removing this thing, there's a couple of zip ties that hold on to here and here for these little connectors.
But the first lesson of the XC90 is never buy an XC90.
Valuable lesson indeed. Valuable lesson indeed. That's a really good lesson to learn. First lesson of the day. Don't buy an XC90, and then when you buy one, make sure you spend $4,000 on a transmission right away. Alright, so zip tie there, guys. And then there's another one right here. Use your little side cutties. Make sure not to cut any of the wires. Okay, then that can go back in.
Maybe. Pulled it out kind of weird. Get it lined up.
Hang on.
Oh, should we have it in that gear?
Yeah.
We should have that on.
Yeah, we should have that on first.
Does that go in?
Look at that. Would you look at that? Your key's a little dicker, buddy.
Yep. The XC90's a little dicker.
And this little post goes in like that.
Stick it in here first. It's gonna split my wood grain.
Was it?
Yeah. Why? Come on. Oh. It's very tight fit there.
Well, I think maybe you need to go back even further so you can get it really in there. Here, you hold the camera.
It's got to line up underneath here. There's a slot for it.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Move your hand there for a second.
Oh, that way. How smashy.
And that's it, boys. Got yourself a Seagram's Crown Royal. What's really going on here?
I don't know.
What's really going on? Oh, there you go. That went in. There you go. Okay. Okay. And there you have it, boys. Look at that.
Isn't that
Are all
something?
the indicator lights working? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nope. Still got winter mode, yeah.
Okay. And that's that, guys. So that's how you replace your crusty old, oh my goodness, put it in park.
It's got its e-brake on. Too.
Yeah. That's how you replace your old crusty leather 15-year-old boot. How old's this truck?
I don't know.
What year is it?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
It's just the beater.
Yeah, so rusty old crusty boot, which has got Canadian grime all over it. At least 15 cups of Timmy's on it. And now you got your baller status shifter boot from Seagram's Crown Royal.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button down below, and make sure you hit that bell notification button for more videos later on. See you guys. Have a good one.
Cheers.